scanning our client's AI generated document with number 1, GPT-0, 45%. Number 2, 0 GPT, 0%. Can't even detect the AI at all. Useless tool. Number 3, Quillbot, 14%. And here comes the drum roll. Number 4, Turnitin AI shows 100%. Now, let's humanize this write-up using Quillbot. Right there, Quillbot. The latest AI detection shows number 1, GPT-0 became 0%. 0, GPT-0. Alright. Number 2, 0 GPT became 9.78%. Number 3, Quillbot became 24%. 24, Number 4, Turnitin AI shown 81%, guys. 81%. After the recent Turnitin update on August 27th, this is the article, all humanizing tools became utter, total rubbish. Rubbish. Since humanizing not working, AI generator also can be detected, humanizing also can be detected. What is the only solution? Human-based paraphrasing. This is the tracked file after we humans paraphrase, rewrite the whole thing. We call this human-based paraphrasing process. Guaranteed, no change in context or meaning. Now let's scan this document, this track document. We scan this using all these AI detection tools. Number 1, GPT-0 again shown 0%. Number 2, 0 GPT shown 0% also. Number 3, Quillbot also shown 0%. Number 4, Turnitin AI became star. Star means 0%. We already successfully removed Turnitin AI. Totally removed. Guaranteed Turnitin AI 0%, although there is a latest update via my extended paraphrasing training for all of you. As all of you may remember, I recently shared a video where Turnitin AI officially updated the algorithm on 27th of August. If you missed that video, I've tagged it down here. After its AI learning phase, right now, since October 15, October 15, not only humanizing tools don't work anymore. Forget humanizing tools. All the AI writing platforms will be automatically detected. Worst of all, after these two categories done, even when human paraphrase all of the AI writing can be detected as well. Because of its AI origin, it's tracing back where the origin is coming from. That's how smart it's getting right now. Our phones been buzzing crazily since the beginning of October. And now it's getting only worse, as all the documents that previously used as basic as Grammarly are now being detected 100% Turnitin AI. 100%. For an example, this document we paraphrased a couple of weeks back. We achieved 0% Turnitin AI. But now after scanning back the document, it increased back because it is able to detect the AI origin of the student. And finally, managed to push it down again. Don't worry. How did we manage to beat the latest update of Turnitin AI? So this is our client's AI generated document that had high Turnitin AI percentage. So now let's take this particular part from the problem statement section. Technique number 1, sentence total reconstruction. So let's understand the sentence first. There is literature, right? Then cognitive impairment, breast cancer, and specifically cancer and chemotherapy. Now, all these parts, all these keywords cannot be changed. Cannot be changed. So now let's reconstruct a new sentence. First thing, delete the whole sentence because we are going to reconstruct everything but leaving the keywords. Now we paraphrase. As reported in the past studies, cancer survivors, particularly breast cancer patients, experienced cognitive impairment as a side effect of chemotherapy process. Look at the paraphrased version now. Across the literature became as reported in the past studies. Breast cancer survivors were brought forward and expanded into cancer survivors, particularly breast cancer patients. If you realize there, I'm not removing the context, I'm only elaborating the context. Okay, don't change the word breast cancer patients. That will change the entirety of the context. This is what humanizing tools will screw your life. This is what they will do. Be careful. So human, we don't do this. We paraphrase very carefully. Next, linked to chemotherapy were totally changed to as a side effect of chemotherapy process. This way, Turnitin AI cannot detect at all because the entire origin had been broken down. We have broken the whole thing down. Technique number 2, active to passive sentencing. In a review by Skagen and Werfel, 2013, 70% of related studies reported that 17% to 78% of breast cancer survivors treated with chemotherapy experienced cognitive dysfunction. Now, let's paraphrase these two. Let's apply active to passive sentencing. This is the outcome. That's the original. This is the paraphrased version. In Skagen and Werfel's 2013 review, 17% to 78% of chemotherapy treated breast cancer survivors were reported by 70% of the relevant studies to experience cognitive dysfunction. You see, we have broken down the whole AI writing. It sounds human now, like how I would normally write it. That's how we write it. And after we paraphrase again, the whole document, finally, Turnitin AI became 0%. Always 0%. Maintain that. If you need more techniques like this, proven techniques, not using useless humanizing tools that don't work anymore, comment down there. Don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your friends so they can survive this Turnitin AI war. And I will teach you more techniques in the next class. So, basic change of voice or passive to active sentence techniques that I taught previously might not be enough. Have to go into complete reconstruction as well. You need to mix them all together. Alright? So see you in the next class. Let me teach the second technique to beat Turnitin AI with human-based paraphrasing by applying the technique known as change of active passive sentencing. Watch till the end to learn the full technique today. Now, that is our client's original write-up that we literally received just this week. Remember, the most important thing when it comes to paraphrasing, never ever change the context. The role of
female PhD directors who are also leading the sustainability committees to observe better firm performance and improve progress in sustainability initiative is the major aim of the present study within the mission context.
So we basically swapped the whole sentence. Look at the original, look at the paraphrase one. As you can see, the keyword study phrase went to the back. And the entire sentence became passive because of that. Additional thing that I did was to play with synonyms very well so that we have to break the Turnitin AI. For an example, improving became observe better. Advancing became improved progress, and many, many more. These are all the tricks that will apply. That is how we achieved Turnitin AI 0% and we guarantee it with our paraphrasing skill. Just to prove ourselves here, the original sentence at the top was again humanized with Quillbot. Turnitin AI score was still 100%. And I don't need to elaborate any further on this reality, guys. So, number 1 technique, change of voice, done. Number 2 technique, change of active passive sentencing, also done. Next is simplification technique that I'm going to teach you guys. Want to learn? Want or not? If I get massive amounts of shares and likes and comments, I will teach you all in the next class on the third technique. If your university uses Turnitin, then follow Turnitin standard. For our paraphrasing services, guarantee Turnitin AI will be 0%. If you want it, click the get code button right now. Get in touch with us and don't need to worry about Turnitin AI anymore.